In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write any essay using Notion. First, let's navigate to the Notion website. If you haven't already signed in, please do so now. Notion is a versatile workspace where you can organize tasks, manage projects, and importantly, write essays with ease. Now, once you're on the Notion homepage, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a handy little arrow situated at the top. Go ahead and give that a click. This arrow will open up a new panel where you can access various functions and tools within Notion, which makes it your starting point to explore a wide array of templates. Now let's take advantage of the Templates feature. Click on the Templates option, which is designed to streamline a myriad of tasks, including essay writing. Templates in Notion are essentially pre-structured documents that can save you a lot of time when setting up essays. With the Templates panel open, you'll see a search bar. Here, just type in essay to narrow down your options specifically to essay-related templates. Notion's search feature is pretty robust, so you'll find what you're looking for in no time. As the next step, browse through the templates that are displayed. You could select one that appeals to you right off the bat, or if you prefer more options, clicking on See All allows you to view every available template related to essays. Taking a moment to explore these can give you a better idea of what suits your needs the best. With your chosen template in mind, it's time to add it to your workspace. Simply click the Add button associated with your selected template. This will integrate the template into your Notion dashboard, making it readily accessible for your essay work. Once added, you'll want to make it part of your private workspace. Click on Add to Private, which ensures that your essay remains accessible only to you unless you choose otherwise. It also organizes your workspace in a way that aligns solely with your personal workflow, eliminating the clutter of extra options you don't necessarily need. Finally, after adding the template, you will want to familiarize yourself with it by clicking See Template. This will open your selected template in its entirety, allowing you to examine its sections and tools. You can start customizing it to fit your essay topic and requirements right away. Don't forget, Notion's flexibility means you can tailor each part to suit your unique style and the specific needs of your assignment. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up an efficient space in Notion to compose any essay. Now you're ready to dive in and start writing with clarity and organization. Happy writing!